Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Stephane from Gemalto. I'm going to talk about how to tackle some of the trust challenges typically faced in smart manufacturing, and also give you some useful tips and tactics to deal with producing smart products and improving asset management. Now let's have a look at asset management, another challenge when it comes to embracing smart manufacturing. Why is it so important? Having an efficient asset management solution is a great foundation to improve productivity and profitability. For instance, predictive maintenance that is based on asset management can reduce maintenance costs by up to 40% according to McKinsey. This is because clear visibility can be given about these assets, like machines, robots, tools, programmable logic controllers, and more importantly, the data they are providing. In smart factories, assets are more and more interconnected with each other and with management systems. And not only the number of connections will increase, but they will change dynamically in order to make the production lines more flexible. So like smart products, assets need a trusted identity. They need to be able to communicate securely and be managed through their life cycle from deployment to reconfiguration and finally to decommissioning. An asset management system can be seen as a trusted master, authenticated trusted devices, and potentially also communicating with external applications from trusted partners. So it's all about trust, as you can see. How assets are typically connected with a trusted master. Powerful assets like robots may be connected directly, but low capability devices like sensors typically connect through a gateway that will aggregate data and add value locally, like some local processing or added security features. So gateways are therefore an interesting way to upgrade production lines while limiting the impact on legacy equipment and infrastructure. We have identified 5 key steps to get your asset management ready for smart manufacturing. First of all, perform a risk analysis to identify the right assets and the right protection levels. Not all of them will require the ultimate level of security, but you want to make sure that you will not miss the critical ones. Then implement protection either directly in the asset or through gateways, depending on the asset capabilities. Protect data at rest and in motion between assets, be they internal or external, and use wireless connectivity to minimize the impact on the legacy infrastructure. And the last but not the least, have a security lifecycle management solution in place. This is really essential to keep up with the evolving threat landscape. Gemalto's portfolio features solutions and services for each of these steps. At Gemalto, we leverage our IoT and digital security expertise in order to help manufacturers move to the next stage. Our experts are ready to support the digital transformation of your business. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Gemalto's YouTube channel to find out more.